Will Worsham joins us now for this week's Speaking Legal discussion, where we answer viewers' legal questions on air. And let's take a look at today's question. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. My ex isn't paying his court-ordered child support. Do I have to let him see the kids? I've even heard this question a lot.
Well, this question comes up a lot. And, you know, it makes sense. I mean, if he's not doing his part, why should I have to do my part, right? Well, the answer is it's really not about him, and it's not about you. It's about the kids. And so the idea is we believe in our society, at least our judiciary believes, that it's best for kids to be raised by both their parents, to have contact with both their parents. And so regardless of whether or not he's paying child support or she's paying child support, the court says both parents need time with the kids. And so the answer to the question is yes, you still have to let them see the kids.
Both ends of that are court-ordered, aren't they?
That's correct. They're covered in a child support order. They're part of the marital decree, and there are orders in place. And for either party to violate the order is wrong.
Okay.
It's kind of one of those two wrongs don't make a right situations.
Yeah. But now you also hear the other side of it. Hey, I'm paying child support and she isn't letting me see the kids. Can I stop paying support?
Right. And once again, the answer is no. You still have to pay the court-ordered child support, and for the same reason. It's not about you. It's not about your spouse or your former spouse. It's about the kids. The support's for the kids. The support's to take care of the kids, and so you're to pay your child support regardless of what the other party is doing.
Court is not going to accept nanny, boo-boo. I'm not paying. Okay.
No, not at all. And there's remedies for that always. You go to court. You seek a judicial order to enforce the order on the other person. They can be held in contempt for either not paying support or for not honoring the child support agreement. But you want to come in with clean hands. So you don't want to go in and say, well, Judge, you need to order her to let me see these kids. You don't want your spouse to then turn around and be able to turn around and say, well, he's not paying the support. The judge is just going to get mad at everybody, say, both of you need to do what I said.
It's a he said, she said then at that point, right?
Well, it's always, well, yes and no. I mean, you get into arguments about who's doing what. Typically, it's very provable by external evidence if you're not paying or if you're not getting to see the kids. I mean, that's easily provable who's doing what. So it's not really, it's like a verbal argument over what the facts are, but you get in this, you're both engaged in bad behavior. The judge is not happy with either one of you. But if you're the spouse that can stand there and say, Judge, I've done everything you ordered me to do, my spouse is the one that's not following your order, that puts you in a much better position in front of the court.
I understand that also. You don't understand being taken to task until a judge does it from the bench.
That can very well be true. Yeah, exactly.
All right, now, you know, you've got some information seminars coming up on just this, right? Yeah,
we do. This is a topic that everybody wants to know about. So we put together an information seminar that we're going to be hosting here coming up on May 20th. It's going to be at noon. It's over the lunch hour. Lunch is provided as part of the registration. We're going to do about 30 minutes. Just kind of, this is an overview. This is what you need to know. Divorce, child support, child custody. And then we've reserved some time at the end for questions. So you can stick around, ask the questions that you still have, or if you need to scoot back to work, you can do that too. We won't start the program until about a little bit after noon. We'll let people leave work, get there, start the program, have some time for people to answer questions, and then still go back to work on time.
And basically open forum then with questions?
Yeah, absolutely. We want to get people the information that they want. You can go online. I think there's links going to be at ozarksfirst.com in the Ozarks Live section.
The Ozarks Live section.
Click the links, come through and register online so we know who to expect because we've got to order your food.
Okay. Again, you're going to have to tell them when. I think we haven't told them where yet.
It's at Springfield Brewing Company.
All right.
And all that's available online when you register.
Okay, what's the date on it one more time?
May 20th.
May 20th, noon hour at the Brewing Company.
That's right.
All right. Well, thank you very much. Now, if you have a legal question for Will, you can email him at wworsham@color10.com, and we'll answer your question on the next show. Now, we're going to take a break.